Hi everyone, my name is Anchal and I am the student of St. Mary's School and taking my coaching classes from Vishesh Academy of Commerce. With the help of this academy, I have scored great marks in my exams. Tilak sir and Sunil sir made our concepts crystal clear. Regular tests and assignments are conducted after every topic so that the performance of each student can improve day by day. The best part of our academy is that the teacher pays equal attention on each and every student. They not only taught us but also motivated us to focus on our goals more precisely. I am proud to be a Visheshian. I'll truly recommend you to join Vishesh Academy of Commerce if you are searching for the one. Thank you.